Hello, I'm Tim. I'm the PM for the package stage, and today we're here to tell you about some exciting features that we have planned for the 14.5 milestone, which is scheduled for release on November 22nd. So the first few items that we have planned, we have several security fixes, which will be announced in the next release. We also have several performance improvements that we're making as we've seen increased scale and adoption of the dependency proxy and package registry. We've had to make more schedule time for more performance improvements. And you can check out this milestone planning issue and read about how we're planning these and what more details about these issues as needed. But we do also have a few exciting features and some upcoming design and research that we're working on as well. So the first issue that I wanted to highlight, if you've been using the package registry for your NPM packages, you may have noticed in the past that we don't support the, having all of the metadata that comes along in the package JSON file. So we support basic metadata like the package name and some other fields, but there are a lot of fields in here that are specifically missing. And really, until this data is available in the API and eventually in the user interface as well, it's hard for us to be the single source of truth for your package registry. So this first issue that we'll work on, we'll add all of the data, we'll extract all of the data and add it to the API response. And then in a future issue, we'll consider adding it to the user interface as well. For the next issue, I'd like to hand it over to Katie, who's the product designer for the package group.
Cool. Hi, I'm Katie, product designer, as Tim mentioned, new hire, new to the package group. So I'm going to talk about the adding a user interface to the dependency proxy. So the customer impact here is to have the UI make it clear that the feature is working as expected, and that you can see what's cached in the dependency proxy. And Tim's going to show me the Figma file. So basically, as a first iteration, we're going to display a list of tags and when the tag was last cached. This is a first step. And if you're interested in this feature or wanting to learn more about it, we want to extend it past this in future milestones. So we would love to chat to you if this is a feature that you think would be useful to you. So yeah, in the future, we would like to be able to provide a lot more rich information. But I think that this is a great first step to add a UI on top of something that previously you could not see in the interface.
That's true. I've heard this from several customers that this is something that they have no way of knowing right now. So this will be a big step forward in terms of providing this information. Thanks for working on that design. And we have one more request. I think, Katie, do you want to talk through this one?
Yeah, so we've heard from a lot of customers that managing the amount of package files and the storage that packages can take up is quite arduous, and currently it's a manual task. So in the previous milestone, we had the ability to talk to some customers about what their needs were and have a little bit of an idea of what a cleanup policy might look like for the package registry. Some of you might be aware of the cleanup policy for the container registry. So this is a similar kind of idea. Currently a task that is a lot of manual work to kind of clean up unused artifacts from the package registry. This issue is to create a design where we have a solution for that to kind of automate some of this manual workflow. And the intention is we'll create a design and do some user testing to make sure that it addresses the need. So similar to the dependency proxy, if this is something that's interesting to you, please reach out to us either on the issue or to either of us directly, because we'd love to talk to you and learn more about your needs for this.
Great. Yeah, thanks for sharing. And yeah, we'll look forward to hearing from people about that issue and everything else. So yeah, I'm really excited about this milestone and some of not only the issues that we spoke about, but the performance gains too that we'll continue to make for all of our features. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. And if not, we'll talk to you in the issues. Thank you.